Hello and welcome to another video. In this one we're gonna talk about material tags as you see here and how we can modify this wall so you can see the different layers. It's not that hard, it will be a short video. I won't model the walls because you can do that by yourself. I just gonna show you how you can cut them properly and make the annotations and place the annotations and where they come from, and also like here how to make this schedule so it's easily findable. So first of all I modeled those walls, just so simple walls that you can see here, just basic wall, different materials. And also if I go to edit type right here, very important thing for the tags that we are going to do is if you go to material, identity, this description, comment, and of course keynote and mark. That's very important for the material tag to work. And the next thing that we're going to do is make some different layers. So that's a floor plan, so just one wall, installation, and the finishing wall. Right in the section right here you can see. So here we have our floor plate, and now we're gonna make a nice view and tag the materials for this wall so you can explain your wall better. This wall is not so complicated, it's the most common wall that you will have. So yeah, I just want to keep it simple so you guys understand it really good. So first of all we're gonna select this wall, and then we go to the section 2, so we're looking in front of it. You can also do that by your view, but I just prefer to do it with the section. So go to section 2, and then right here you see we have our wall selected by those blue arrows. And the next thing that I want to do is edit profile. So that means we're gonna edit the profile of the wall, and now we're gonna just do like just one section like this, maybe 34 degrees, 35, sorry. Then we're gonna use the trim tool. Voila, there we go. Just finish it. You won't see anything because it's behind it. We go to 3D, and right there we have already one segment that is gone. Now we're gonna do the same for the installation. Again, go to section 2, edit profile, and then I'm gonna just draw randomly here. You can see in a moment why. Voila, just do it like this. And so we have our installation done, and now we're gonna do our finishing wall. Again, section, edit profile, and then I'm gonna select pick lines because I want the same angle of the interior wall, and I will drag it just like this, and I'll see there is something happening here. No problem. I will just move this right here. Voila, and of course don't forget to trim. There we go. Finish it. I'm gonna look in 3D. Voila, this is looking not that good, because I will change the installation so it looks properly, and then we're gonna just edit profile. Voila, we're gonna move it up like this. I made the align button. Voila, and just with the arrow keys you can move it along like this. Then don't forget to trim so the boundaries are closed. Click OK, and now we're gonna use the same angle for this one. Align it. Voila, again with the arrow keys, and voila, this is looking good. Now again you see that we are really going that's how you actually done for a separate wall. You see guys, it's not that much work, but you need to know it, of course. Then we're gonna do the annotations. So we go to the annotate tab, and then we're gonna use material tag, click on it, and then we have a warning, lock your 3D for tagging. So if you want to do annotations, you need to lock your 3D view. I will set it OK, and right here under, you can see here, click on it, and then save orientation and lock view. Voila, now it's safe. What it means, we can't rotate it anymore. See, we can't do it because it's locked right here. We're gonna unlock it because I want to rotate it a bit so it's visible, more visible. Unlock view, and now we can use the cube right here. Click on it, voila, zoom a little bit out, and then I would like to spin it more a bit. So we're gonna use this wheel, and then this will do fine. And then we're gonna save, orient, and lock view. Voila. We're gonna zoom a little bit in, or I want to change it more, unlock it, and maybe like this. Yes, this is better. Maybe more. Yep, I'm a bit a perfectionist. Voila. Then save it, and now we can start annotating. So click, and then we're gonna use voila. All right, and then right here, and then the finishing. Voila. Of course, you can do it with the arrow keys. You can move it up, and then change this. Why I can't move this dot? Well, that's very simple, because I have here a free end. So if I create similar right here, oh, it's always a free end because it's in 3D. I forgot. My bad. Now we're gonna do the other walls. Voila, there we go. Oops, okay. And then this one. Voila, there we go. That's pretty much it. You can just annotate it, and maybe we can no, just for the walls. So that's one thing you can do. But also, if you only want escape, if you want only the number, well, that's perfectly. So we're gonna select all instance visible in view, so we select them all, and then I'm gonna do just the mark. Voila, and there you go. And now we have only the mark, so it's more readable if you prefer, but you cannot also choose, of course. Select all instance visible in view, we go to left, the right one. Voila, and there we go. So you can have the different options as you want. The next thing that we're going to do is make a shadow from it. But first I want to show you guys how I make the shadow and what it's based on. So again, if I go to edit type right here, then we go to edit material. So I will use the shadow, but I will use description, comment, and the mark, so we can define which wall it is. Also, you can use name, but I don't prefer this code because I like to say it just the raw name of the material. So how do we do that? We go to the view, and then right here we go to shadows, and we go to material takeoff. Why? Because we are with material tags. We are working with material tags, so you need to make sure you have material takeoff. And now, which category? Of course, walls. Select walls. Okay, there we go. Just to remember what I said. So I will use the material mark, then the material description, and material comment. That's what I thought. Or you can choose for width, and I will show you in a second what's the difference. just click OK, and then I'm gonna zoom it more in, and then you have it. So we have here our material comments. This is commented, and it's just the names that we name. So I will make it very easy to understand. I will wait a second, guys. I will help you out. So I will make a screenshot from it. Voila. And then I'm gonna draw the screenshot, of course, for you guys. Wait a second. Right here. Sorry for the waiting, but it will be easier to explain, of course. I will open it here first. Yes, there we go. I'll zoom in. Oh, this will be fine. Voila. And then oops, okay. I will move it a second for here and then go to the schedule. So we have here our material mark. So material mark is from here, like you see here, A1. So we have here A1. Then material description is right here. Material description, snellbow. Then we have it here, snellbow. Then material comments is this 14 centimeters, is right here, 40 centimeters. But the width is the actual width of the wall itself. So that's the difference. We don't use the text that we put it in, but actually the wall itself. So, for example, if you prefer the actual width, what you can do is to also get the centimeters. We go to, oh, maybe I will a bit too fast. We go to formatting right here, edit, then go to width, then field format right here, and then we're gonna use centimeters, unit symbol, go to centimeters, okay, okay, and see you have also the width. And how to get rid of it, I will use delete the comments. Voila, there we go. And then we can just move it a little bit around. Voila, there we go. Then material name, mark, and width. And then we're gonna use I will show it in a moment. So that's our shell that we can make. So it's much better overlay. And then we have your sheet. My sheet is just empty. It's just how do we do that? Very simple. You go to view tab, then sheet, and then just do none, and that's okay. So the next step that we're going to do is, of course, our 3D view right here. We're gonna drag it, place it here, click on it, and voila, this is our 3D view. And then I'm gonna look for our shadow. It's material takeoff, and normally it's here. Voila, material takeoff, place it here, and there we go. So the shadow itself, it's not very sexy, so we're gonna edit a bit, of course. So we're gonna edit here, right here, appearance. Then we're gonna change it to thin lines, and I will that's the grid lines, and I will like to change it to grade 3. Then the outline, I like it with a bit thicker one, so I will use this one right here, not a blank arrow. Show stripes, yeah, why not? Show headers, yes, this will be 1.8, voila. Okay, and then this right here, oh, we're gonna resize it to 6, voila. And this will be a lot better, and even, oh, and we can even make a shading, voila. Oh, this will be too dark. Okay, then go to again, and voila. This is it, guys. It's very simple technique, and very fast, of course, because with every wall that you make, this will have the same materials. And if you want just a mark. We go to select all instance, visible in view, then change it to just mark. Voila, there you go. And then you have just a mark, and right here you can just voila, the mark, then the width, voila, and then you can just formally A1 is this material and this width. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.